YouTube, E-Click Click Boom here, and I have a nice review today. Not so much a review, like a tabletop review, but more of a test. Durability test, steel test, and things of that nature. So what I got here set up, I've got duct tape test. I've got 32 layers of nylon coated string, industrial Velcro, and a book with thick pieces of cardboard all taped together. The belt, regular webbing belt, and wire from an old phone charger. So first of all, I've had this knife for a good 4 months. I have used it, as you can tell. And if you've seen my other water bottle cut test review, that's mainly the little things I've been doing with this knife. I've also done some batoning, basic bushcraft, and shelter building with this thing, and I have not sharpened it once since I've gotten this thing. So let's get started with the review. So I guess we'll do the duct tape test first. It's going to be kind of hard to do. I'm doing this on my phone. You can see that. There we go. Well, that was relatively easy. Very nice cut. See that? Very straight. So, okay. Now let's move on to a stab. It's just basic, paper cardboard, stupid old pop-up book, and I've got a little wood piece under there so I don't destroy my bed. So let's go. Wow, that right there. Stab through all the cardboard and a thick layer of the book. Not bad, if you ask me. Don't know if you can see this, but I'm going to cut the 30, 36, or 32 layers of the nylon coated string. And here we go. Look at that. With ease. Go with the industrial Velcro. Ease again. It's a very, very good knife. And K-Bar calls it one of the most, or the most famous knife in the world. Alright, let's move on to the wire. Charger bit here. Well, that was easy. Okay, now let's get to the important part. You saw there was the one layer. relatively hard. I can't really see your guys' vision, so I'm doing this on my phone. So, well, there's 2 layers. Easy cut. Here's 4. Easy again. And what the hell, let's step it up to 8. Eight layers. Easy. Okay, last but yes least. No, actually, not last. Got the basic belt. Easy. 2 layers. Nice. And now I'm on it. All I've been waiting for to see if this thing actually stands up to its perspectives. A little raggedy, pretty raggedy, but for the most part, it stands up. Very nice. Awesome blade. Factory edge. Has been sharpened once. Now, let's get more into the specs. It's 1095 crovan steel. It's the regular 1095 with chrome and vanadium, if I'm saying that correctly. Stacked leather washers for the handle. It is a full tang. Right there, a pin stuck in there to keep the pommel tight on there. And it is designed for hammering in stakes. And nails and things like that. If you go to Barricade 696, his channel, he shows an actual review of him banging in a nail into what looks like a staircase. But yeah, it's a very good steel. Love the steel. Leather sheath, very solidly built. This is just a piece of 550 cord I found laying around the house. But it is solid clasp. The leather for the closure will stretch and ends up so you can't really hang it upside down. And if you go on Amazon.com, you can get the Kydex sheath for about $10. It actually might even be less on Black Friday, if you're lucky. But 7-inch blade, 12 inches overall. I know they say 11 7/8, but it is 12 inches overall. The sheath has the stamped insignia, K-bar, and United States Marine Corps. So, thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day.